Welcome to Pitch and Notes 2. We're going to really get into some good theory, not as if we haven't already so far, but this is some chunky stuff that I'm so excited to share with you. So let's get to know the piano. And the reason why we're going to get to know the piano, it doesn't matter if you've never played the piano before. It doesn't matter if you're an expert piano player. The piano is a really great instrument for us to visually see notes. Remember, just like with melody, our brain likes finding patterns. Well, the piano, the way it's laid out, is very easy to find and spot patterns on. So we're actually going to use that as a sort of interface to understand different patterns in music while we also look at the music notation. And again, it does not matter if you've never played or never seen a piano before in your life. Just look at the patterns, and this is going to help you. So let's start by understanding the first pattern on the piano, which is the 12-key pattern. First, let's watch a video, and then I'm going to break it down for you. Here's example 45. To the left of the piano, there are low sounds. As you play keys that are more to the right, they make higher sounds. From left to right, each key makes a higher sound than the key before it. On the keyboard, there is a pattern of black keys. We can spot the black keys together in groups of 2 and in groups of 3 that are repeated all across the keyboard. Another pattern on the keyboard called the 12-key pattern. We can find this pattern by using our groups of 2 and 3 black keys as signposts or markers along the way. Part 1 of the 12-key pattern is built around our group of 2 black keys. Counting the white and black keys in this section of the 12-key pattern, we have a total of 5 keys. The white key all the way to the left of the group of 2 black keys is key number 1, the first key in the 12-key pattern. Part 2 of the 12-key pattern is based around the group of 3 black keys. Counting all the white and black keys in this section, we have 7 keys total. The white key all the way to the right of the group of 3 black keys is key 12, the last key in the 12-key pattern. When we take parts 1 and parts 2 of the 12-key pattern and put them together, we can see the full 12-key pattern. The 12-key pattern repeats over and over again for the entire keyboard. Every time it repeats, it sounds higher than the last 12-key group when played from left to right. So basically what we have with the piano is the basic musical alphabet going from low to high, low pitches to high pitches in this series of 12 keys over and over and over again. In the next video, you're going to understand why it was important to learn this and how we're going to relate this to the basic musical alphabet. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.